could pee in the bus, but why do that when there's a perfectly good Walmart right behind us?
Yeah. It's like a huge bathroom.
Yeah, massive bathroom. Massive toilet America.
Yeah. We were gonna get the compostable, like $1,000, smells phenomenal. When you poo and pee toilet.
Turns your poo into
gold.
Gold.
Gold. But we ended up going with one that was a tenth of the price. What do you think about it, babe?
Well, well, I feel like that's a whole episode in itself. We need to find some kind of a balance in the deodorizer. You can't really poo in it, and you don't want to pee in it because it gets full fast.
And then it smells.
And then it doesn't smell.
Putrid.
It doesn't always smell. But when you open the gap, send your pee down.
You really want to make it a real quick open and closing process, because otherwise...
It's bad. It's the depths of hell.
It is. It shows you how dehydrated and blah.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So yeah. So we just peed at Walmart.
Subscribers! Yay!
Thanks, guys.
So now we get to drink this special limited release from New Belgium.
We're so excited. We've had it for like, I guess probably like a month and a week, month and a half, something like that. We've had it for a while. We've been really excited. And if you didn't see our other videos, our goal was to get to 100 subscribers, and then we popped this bad boy open. It's a super, super limited release from New Belgium. It's a single fodder sour that we're super excited to drink, and we get to drink it right now. So
thank you guys so much for supporting us.
So thank you so much, and help us get to our next awesome bottle of beer.
1,000 subs.
1,000 subs. Welcome back.
Bye-bye.
Right, it's our first snowstorm in the bus. Not a huge one, but you know, nice dusting on Broomfield, Colorado, which actually I've never been to before, but pretty nice little town. I mean, it's all corporate, but if you need to go shopping somewhere, they did a pretty good job of laying this whole place out. It's very cute. The mountains are actually back there. You just can't see them right now. Hi, babe. Let's go check out our new home.
Yay!
This time it is Walmart and Westminster, one of 3.
Soup's cute.
Soup's cute. We have a little lake over here, a little pond, some ducks, and this sweet living seal bus. So our new home.
Our neighbor just pointed it out to us.
Yeah, our neighbors over here are renting the lifestyle. Pointed out this turkey. We have wildlife. We're thinking it's turkey or a turkey vulture.
It's super cute.
Unless it's a vulture,
Little
then it's
cutie.
not cute at all.
No, look at it walk all fluffy.